Hey everyone, I hope you are fine and doing well. I'm again back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a new blog to your website or how to manage blog section or blog part of your website. I am on WordPress and I will be guiding you about that. So please, if you have not subscribed my channel, please do it and press the bell icon so you can get my latest update about videos. So let's start it right now. You when you will be login onto your website, you will see this option post. This is the blog section where we manage all the blogs things. Just these four options are available for blog. I just Okay, so here will be the blog section. Just these four parts are belongs to blog. Here are some blogs. Let me guide you from the start how you can edit a blog. Add a blog. You need to click on add new. Here you need to write title of the blog. Let's say I'm going to add a uh, let me guide you from a previous blog, because I do not have content. Click on edit. When you will click on add new, you will get a something like this. Here you will be able to add title of your blog. Here you can put the description and written everything about your blog. Then here you will be able to add categories. If there is no category, you can add new categories from here, like food, business, cards, coffee, restaurant, something like that. Whatever the category in which your post type blog post fall. And after that, here you can add directory tags that will help you to rank, and this is also good for SEO purpose. And that's all. Here you can select template, but make it default template, that is better. And featured image, you can remove or add featured image from here. Using here remove featured image, this will be removed. Here you can change it if you want, and you can do anything. And once 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, just these five things are there. Once these five things are done, then you can just click on publish. This is so simple managing blog on the WordPress. And once this is done, you need to click on your blog section. Here it is, blog, and it will be here, this one that it recently added. And when you click on that, here you can read all the article. Yeah, that's it. Hold on, let me enable all the option. Okay, there are some new settings like allow comments. These comments, if you don't want these comments, then you just need to click on disallow, this one. Allow travel and payback on this page. You can also do this one. If you want to add comment on your own, you can also do that. Nice. Add comment. You can change the slug here. You can change the name of admin here. If you want to assign this post to another author, like any, it can be anyone, listing owner or someone, you can give that to that person credit. Here now you can see that there is no blog comments option. Comments are closed. You can see this option. So this is so simple and easy. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. And if there is anything else that you needed, ping me on my website. Thank you. Bye bye.